Okay, nhỏ rong sơn gió. Okay. Let me go ahead and share my screen with you guys.
Stephanie, today is Noel's birthday. Can everybody do a quick shout out to Noel for her birthday?
Yes. All right, today is Noah's birthday. Can everybody say happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Okay, so in Hmong, bé hạt tiền rong sen nu yu go.
Jean-Xian no you got.
So you guys all say, follow me, okay? Rong sen nu yu go.
Every time.
Guluga. Zhongxia Guluga. Zhongxia Guluga.
Chia kuluka say rong sen
Zhongxia
nu yu go.
Nu Yuga.
Really good. Okay, can we all say happy birthday to Noel?
Happy birthday, Noel.
Happy birthday, Noel.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Noel.
Happy birthday to you. Yay, good job. All right, so okay, so today we're going to do a drawing for kids who turn in their homework and also kids who participate in class and also kids that really good attended. So Mrs. Downs going to make a drawing in a little bucket, and if she pick out your name, then you're gonna receive a gift, okay? On a sticker, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and do that. CJ, can you change your picture back, please? Thank you.
Okay, everyone, this one is for homework, okay? So here's the names of kids who did their homework, who submitted homework, and everyone's name should be here, but we don't have everyone's name here. So the ones who have been submitting homework, your name is in here, so I'm gonna pick. So Stephanie, we're doing one for homework?
One for homework, one for participation, and one for attendance.
Okay, so this is for homework, and the lucky person is, who is it? Who's the lucky person, guys? She knew. Is she new?
Yay, Chinu.
Yay, Chinu, congratulations.
Everyone cheer for Chinu.
Chinu, where are you?
Congrats.
Chinu, turn the camera on.
You.
So you guys make sure that you do your homework and have your parents help you if you guys don't know how, and turn it into Google Class or to Miss Stephanie so that every month you guys get entered in a drawing, and if you guys win, then you guys win a little prize. Even if it's not a big prize, it's a little prize for you guys for doing your homework and participating in class and coming to class every week, okay?
Okay, now we're going to do
now we're going to do for
participation.
You want to do attendance one?
Okay, you can go whenever it's convenient for you.
Are you ready? If not, I'll just go first.
You can go first. I just want to make sure I have all the.
Okay, I'm gonna draw for people who attend class. So every time you attend class, I do put it down for attendance. And let's see who I get. I have Fiona,
Yay! Congratulations, Fiona.
Congratulations, Fiona.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, now for participation, there's more now, okay? Because almost, you can say everyone who's been here has been participating. So the name I will pick is, and the lucky person is, oh, let's see. Oh, wait, this is from the older group. Sorry. The person I pick is Noel, and it's your birthday too. Yay!
Congrats, Noel.
Hey, congratulations, Noel.
Congrats.
Okay, go ahead and choose one more for homework.
Stephanie, did you also want to do the student of the month?
Yeah, we could do the student of the month too. All right, go ahead and do one more for homework. I believe they should have 2 in there. Just do one more.
Okay, for homework, we have, okay, for homework, oh, sorry, that's from the other group. I don't know. Okay, for homework, we have Emery.
Yay, Emery.
Emery, yay.
Congrats, Emily.
And I'm gonna do one more for participation because so many, almost the entire class, participate. I'm just gonna
And
do.
then we'll do one more for attendance.
We have Susan.
Susan.
For participation.
Class.
Then one more for attendance. I have Saya.
Saya, good job.
Congratulations, Saya.
Good job, Saya.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to
Yay.
everyone, yeah.
Okay. So for student of the month, we're gonna announce the student of the month, okay? So the student of the month is going to be Floor. Is Floor is here? Floor, are you here? Floor is student of the month. So the reason why we chose Floor because she always come to class and she submit all her homework in. Every homework that she have, she always submit in, okay? So she is the student of the month and she had not missed one assignment. So Flora, we will send you a certificate, okay? And I will email your mom for your address and we will send it to you, okay?
Stephanie, can I also say something?
Yes.
For student of the month, I will buy them a Hmong book this month and send it to them, okay?
Yay!
Yay!
Yeah.
Watch out.
Watch out, watch out. Okay, so before I start the class, we're going to divide some students to a breakout room. And each student will, a few students will be Mrs. Dow and the other student will be Mrs. Payne, okay? And
Mom?
some student will be with me, okay?
Mom,
So
am I
let me
gonna
go ahead and
read?
do that.
No.
All right, let's go to two room.
Miss Stephanie's going to make a little screen and it's going to pop up on your screen. And the little blue sign says join. You just click on that and it'll take you straight to the other room. Okay, guys? And we'll see you guys in there, okay?
I didn't press it.
Yes, Athena?
The button disappeared.
Okay, 1 second.
Give me a second. Let me go ahead and.
Thank you for waiting patiently, you guys.
Yeah, thank you so much. All right, let's go ahead and look for the student that would be in Miss Dow class. Okay, so Jason would be in. Jason's not here today, right? Okay.
Susan, is Jason with you today?
Yeah, he's right next to me.
Oh, Stephanie, Jason is usually sharing with Susan.
Okay, so Jason and Susan would be in the same class then.
Yeah.
Okay, so
If anybody else is sharing one computer or laptop, let Miss Stephanie know right now so she can put you together, okay?
okay, so some students not here today. So what I do is I'm gonna go ahead and Romeo is gonna be with. Okay, so Dow, your group is gonna be group 3, and Payne, your group is gonna be group 4. Okay. And then Mina, let me see here. Joel is gonna be in.
For the winners for the drawings, we will contact your parents and ask for your address so we can send your stuff. So just let your parents know to check their emails just in case we contact them, okay? Aries and Ella, are you guys using one computer?
Yes.
Stephanie, Aries and Ella's are using one computer.
Okay.
Anybody else using sharing one screen? Please let Miss Stephanie know because we're going to split you guys up. So she needs to know so that she can put you guys together, okay?
Okay. Go ahead to your meeting. I will see you guys the rest later, okay? Okay, make sure you accept it. Press accept on it.
Okay, there you go.
Stephanie, can you also let us share screen?
Yeah.
This is my. Can I ask you something?
Yes.
Every time I go in, it shows this thing, and I can't see all the people.
Okay. Well, just give me a second, really quick. Okay. Let me check something really quick. Okay.
Dot, 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 dot. Okay, I'm gonna go back now. I'm gonna go back. Okay.
Okay.
Mom, we didn't have a teacher. You're muted.
You're muted. You're still muted.
Sorry, we're back.
Stephanie, the breakout room says we only had a certain time, so they sent us all back. We can't hear you, Steph. You're still on mute.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. So the Zoom is not working well. So let's just stay in class right now, and we'll work later on. Okay.
Okay. That's
okay.
fine.
Okay. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Yes.
All right. So today we're going to learn welcome to Hmong literacy class. All right. So today we're going to learn the class objective. We're going to learn today is we're gonna greet Hmong, which is Nho Zhong Shen Zao. We all say earlier. And then we're gonna do a little review on the letter C, which is from last week. If you guys could all remember, we learned the letter C, and we also learned about what the letter C, what kind of word that start with the letter C. And then today we're going to start a new letter, which is letter D. And then we also will learn the word that starts with the letter D as well, okay? And then we will go into colors. We will learn the color in Hmong. And, you know, each of you will be able to get a chance to say the color in Hmong. We will also learn how to identify your family member. And then we will watch a small little clip about family member, okay? Okay, so nhỏ rong shen zao. Okay. Really good. Okay, so the letter C. Who can remember the letter C in Hmong? Nó thường cho có cho, good. Cho. Okay, really good. Okay. So your homework last week, I asked you guys to write down for this word. Did you guys do that? Who had not done it yet? If you had not done it yet, please copy the word down and submit it to me, okay? Because I am taking the homework in and you will get credit for it. Okay, so this is the letter C. Cho, cho. Cho, cho. And here is cho, cho. Cho, cho. Chua. Chén. Chờ. Chả. So this is only the word that starts with the letter C, okay? All right, now we're gonna go into letter D. Do, day. Do. Do, day.
Do day.
Good job. So on your piece of paper, write down do, D, day. Do, day. Can you write that down? All right, so write the letter down and write your name on top of it. All right. And then we will go ahead and learn about, so this is will be, let me see here. Let's go ahead, go to the family member. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So bé your cờ cho bé chế name. How do you say mo in Hmong? Nia.
Nia.
Say nia. And then dad is Z. Really good. Sister is mo. So if you're a boy, you call your sister mo. Okay? And if you're a girl, you call your sister Nia Lao. Older sister is Nia Lao. And then brother is Nu. Really good. So if you see your brother, you say Nhỏ rong Nu. Okay? And then your sister, you say Nhỏ rong Mo. Mean hello, older sister. Or hello, sister. Younger sister, you say Nia Luo. Really good. if you see your sister, you could say.
You muted.
You got muted.
Can you hear me now? Sorry.
Yep. Yeah.
Zoom is not working well today. All right. So for older brother, you say Ti Lao.
Ti Lao.
Really good. So younger brother, you would say Gu.
Goo. Goo.
Really good. You won't remember all this, but we will keep doing it until you remember it, okay? So grandma, you would say Ba. If you say, if you ask your grandma, I'm hungry, you would say Ba Gu Chai Pla.
Gu Chai. Gu Chai.
Blah. Really good. Okay. For grandpa, you would say yo.
Oh, you're going too fast. I need to write it down. You're going too fast. Yeah. Give me a minute.
Okay. So I will go ahead and send this slide out, send the list of what we learned today out too. That way you get a chance to look over, okay? And your mom and your dad will go over the slide with you. That way you remember the name of each person in your family, okay?
Or you guys can go back and in the classroom and view this on YouTube.
Yes. Okay, so we're gonna go to next slide. Okay, so nia is mo or na. So everybody say nia.
Nia.
So Mother's Day is coming up. You could write a letter or a card to your mom and mom. Okay, and we will do that next Sunday too. Okay. Jalia, do you have questions?
Can you do it in slides?
Yep. You would do that too, okay? So if you want to write something for your mom, we will all, Mrs. Dow and Mrs. Payne, we will both help you guys. We will write a little card for your mom, okay? Since Mother's Day is coming up. So you could write Gu Lu Go Nia. So that means I love you, mom and mom, okay? And then you can draw yourself. You can draw a little, you can draw your mom and you could give it to her as a gift, okay? And we could say "녀정 nia," like hello, mom. The next one is gonna be dad. How do you say dad and mom?
C.
Really good. Good job. So we all know we love our dad. So if you see your dad, you can say "녀정 지." Me, hello, dad. Well, hello, father. Okay. Okay, so for sister, from the boy side, if you taught your sister, you would say more. Can the boy say more? Really good. So for all the boy, you will call your sister more, okay? And then for the daughter, which is the girl, for the girl, they will call their sister Nia Lao. Nia Lao is oldest sister. For youngest sister, you will call them Nia Lo. Really good. You guys do really good job. I'm really proud of you. Okay, so next one is brother. From the girl's side, which is the daughter side, you will call your brother new. For all the girls, say new. Okay, and then for the boy, you will call your brother, older brother, Ti Lao. Really good. So if you see your older brother, you say Nhỏ rong Ti Lao. Really good. So the younger brother, if you see your younger brother and you want to say hi to him, you have to say Nhỏ rong gu. Really good. You guys do really good job. Kinh hành, nicking chop lao le. I mean, you guys are so smart. Okay, so how do you say grandma in Hmong? Ba, So if you see your grandma and you want to say, I love you, grandma, you will say, Gu lu ga ba. You guys say that? Yeah. So for Mother's Day is coming up, you could write something for your grandma too. You could say, Zhong xian ba nu. Or you could say, Zhong xian nian nu. So that means a happy Grandma Day or happy Mother's Day. So you could write one for your grandma. You could also write one for your mom, okay? Because they both love you, right? All right. And then how do you say grandpa in Hmong?
Yeah.
Yo. Yo, really good. So for your homework, okay, so everybody in this class, for your homework, I would like you to draw your whole family, including your grandpa, your grandma, okay? You don't have to draw your, you can draw your uncle, your auntie then too if you like. But if they marry, if they have a kid, and it's a really big family, then you could just draw your mom, your dad, your brother, sister, and you, okay? And you could draw your grandma, your grandpa in there only, okay?
Can't use all of it.
And make sure you write down grandpa and mom under the picture, okay?
No, I'm not.
Okay. That will be for your homework for next week. And I already posted the homework in Google Classroom. If you have not seen yet, I will want you all you got to go check on there.
With all. With all. No.
Okay, so this is the family tree. For dad, or for father, we will call Qeej. Mother, we will say Nia. And then the bottom picture here, Gu, younger brother. Mo, which is from the brother's side, there's a younger sister or sister. Gu, me. Okay, for older sister, Nia Lao, Mo, from the boy's side or the sister's side. Ti Lao, which is older brother. Okay, so this is how you're going to draw your picture like, okay? So you need a little square. You write your dad, your mom, another picture, and then you will put all your brothers and sister down on the bottom. And you will do exactly like this, okay? You will put gu mo, ti lao, okay? All right. And then let me see here. All right, so let me see here. Let's see here. Okay, so we're going to learn, I don't know, we have much time. We only had 20 minutes, 10 minutes left. So the color I would say for next week, okay? Because the color take really long time. And I want you guys to actually, you know, I think we could have time. All right. Now, colors of the rainbow, we would say, ja, shou, si. Can you guys say, ja, shou, si?
She.
Uh-huh. So the color red, would it be, anybody want to try pronounce this word?
Yellow.
Celia, who say that?
Yellow.
Oh, good job. Yeah, you got it right. Celia. Okay, everybody say Celia.
Celia.
Uh-huh. Okay. What about yellow? Who wanna participate? Who wanna who say that? Can you say your name?
Me.
Oh, really good. Yeah, Sida.
Sida.
Okay, everybody say Sida.
Sida.
Okay, really good.
Sida.
Okay, blue. How do we say this color? Xia. Really good. So if you see a color and you want to tell your mom or your brother, sister, you say Xia. It's blue. Really good. Okay. How do you say orange in Hmong? Si, zi, ga, zu. Can you guys say? Si, ga, zu. Uh-huh. That's orange. Si, zi, ga, zu. Really good. So your homework will be based on color too, okay? So I will go ahead and send you a list of the colors so you could write that down next to the color, okay? How do you say green in Hmong? Xi zhuo. Really good. Xi zhuo. That's really good. All right. How do you say pink in Hmong? Close enough. Who want to try it out? Really good. Who say that? Say your name. Si ba yang. Very good, you guys. I am so proud of you. Kinh cha, si ba yang. How do you say purple in Hmong? Can someone try to pronounce it? Si ja. Si ja.
Si ja.
Si ja say. All right. How do we say white in Hmong?
Xin đua.
Close enough. You sound the word pretty good. It's si da.
The
Si da.
Really good. How do you say si do?
si
That's black.
do.
Si do is black.
Do.
So si do. Okay, so the next color we're gonna
Brown.
okay. What color is this?
Brown.
Okay, brown. How do you say this color? How do you say this color? Si cafe.
Cafe.
Really good. Brown. Si cafe. Really good. Good job, you guys. So we don't have much time because the waiting room was kind of take out a lot of our time. The Zoom is it's not working well today, but we got most of the stuff to cover for this class. Your homework will be, I already posted in the Google Classroom. If you had not checked, please do so. And make sure you do your homework and submit it into Google Classroom or submit through the email that I sent to your parents, okay? And I will see you guys next class, okay?
Stephanie, can I make an announcement first?
Yes.
Can you guys all remind your parents that we sent out another email for them to sign for the YouTube recording? So that's a different one from the other one. So please let your parents know to fill it out and please send it in, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, you guys. We'll see you guys next class. 新居多。
新居多。
Bye. See you next Sunday. Bye.
Bye.
See you Sunday.